Hi friends, welcome to Java Express channel. This is Venkata Bhaskar. In previous tutorial, we saw how to copy files and how to move files and how I can create some basic commands we saw in previous tutorial, right? And we saw how to create the file also in previous tutorial. So many places we use a touch command. Sometimes if I want to display the data, then I use the cat command. Okay, in this section today we are going to see deep dive on the files, like in how many ways I can create the file in Unix or the Linux. Okay, we'll see. So in Unix, if I want to create a file, we have three ways. Okay, by using touch command, by using this command. In all previous sessions we used this command, right? So what is the use of touch command means, if I want to create just an empty file, then I can use the touch command. Okay, cat command, what is the use of the cat command? So we can create the file with some content, so I can add some data, not an empty file. Okay, that is the cat command. So working with gedit and vi editor, by default if you install Ubuntu in your system, these two editors will be available in your Linux operating system. Okay, we'll see how the syntax will be there. Okay, let me log in. Okay, just open the terminal, the left side is there the tab. If you don't know where it is there, use shortcut Control Alt T, so terminal will open. If I want to zoom this terminal, you can use Control Shift plus. Hope this is okay. Okay, so how I can create an empty file? Okay, before that just check where is my current working directory. Just I am moving to the desktop, ls command. Okay, here I have few files, just let me remove the command. How I can remove this section also we already discussed in the previous tutorial. Rm, if I use a star command, what will happen? All files will be deleted. Okay, just use rm. What will happen? Cannot remove directory. Why? Because you need to use the command -r. If you use this part, all files will be deleted. R indicates means recursive. Okay, if you use the ls, see, no data is exist. Now freshly will create a file. So I want to make it one directory, make directory files. I created one files directory, so I will navigate to files directory. Okay, ls-l, no content, right? Total 0. Now I'm creating an empty file. touch, touch is a command. Just you can create any file. Okay, test.txt. if you see here, file is created. What I'm doing, ls-l. if you enter here, if you see, when it is created, it's 1225. So test.txt. So if I want to create an empty file, I can use the touch command. Let me open the editor also. Creation of files. First command is touch command. What is the use? To create an empty file. Okay, we have one more point also. Okay, so what I am doing is, if you clearly observe here, May 10th 1225 it is created. What I will do, again I am executing touch. So what will happen? See, ls-l. See, time is updated. Whenever if file is all, previously test.txt file is not available, right? So then timestamp is this. Again the file is already available. If you try to create a file, then last modified time will be updated. This is the use of touch command. to create an empty file and last time updated if file already exists. Okay, this is the use of the touch command. Second, cat command. So how I can create a file by using the cat command. The syntax is very simple. Cat space arrow mark, give the file name. Okay, abc.txt, just I given. So immediately terminal will go to the next line, so it will ask to add some data. Okay, just go and check now. Cat command arrow mark, just I'm doing abc.txt. when you immediately it will go to the next, that means you need to add some content in abc.txt. just I'm writing this is the test file. Okay, just I wrote this is the test file. Now if I want to exit, you need to enter Control D. Control D, what will happen? It will save and exit. If you want to see the data, if you see ls-l, when it is created, see 1228 in this time, the timestamp just observe with some data. 21 is means, that means 21 bytes of data. Okay, each character it means 1 byte in the Unix. Okay, just if I want to see cat abc.txt, if you see here, this is the test file. As of now, are you clear? Okay, so you enter some data, you entered some data, right? Then if you want to come out here, you need to use Control plus T. What will happen? Save and exit. It will save and exit will be happen. Okay, now my question. Okay, in this file already I have some data. Okay, again when I write something, what will happen? We'll see this, that use case. Okay, just I'm clearing my screen. Okay, now cat command, previously I created one file, right? abc.txt. so in this abc.txt, this is the test class, some content is there. Again I'm creating new file, then what will happen? When you enter here, just please subscribe our channel, just I wrote this content. So now I do is Control D. Okay, what will happen? It's saved and exit. Okay, if you see in cat command, what is happen? Please subscribe our channel. What about previous data? Previous data will be overwritten. Previous data will be overwritten. Okay, now I don't want to overwrite previous file, I want to append some data. How I can go for that? Cat, just use double arrow mark, then abc.txt. okay, enter. Now whatever you want the data, you can add. Just let me close. Okay, just will do here only. Okay, now cat double arrow mark abc.txt. when immediately hit enter, you need to type your data. This is Java Express channel. Okay, now again enter. If you want to add, you can write here only Control plus D, means save and exit. Okay, just I'm entering Control D. See, now what will happen in this abc.txt? Previously I have some content, please subscribe our channel. Now this is Java Express channel, and these two lines also will be appended to your abc.txt. Just go and check. Just I'm clearing my screen. Cat command abc.txt. If you see here, please subscribe our channel. This is Java Express channel. Control D means save and exit. This whole data is saved into cat command. If you clearly observe, touch command is just to create an empty file. Cat command is to you can add new data and you can append some new data. Here you can say every time new file create or overwrite existing file. Okay, so double arrow mark means we can append some data. This is the difference between single arrow mark and double arrow mark. Now you guys are clear now what is the use of touch command and what is the use of cat command. Okay, now so if we don't want to use by using the commands, I want to create a file by using an editor. How I can do that? Just clearing my screen. There is a by default gedit is a editor is available in the Ubuntu. Type gedit. Okay, just you can create test2.txt. so an editor will open to you. If you immediately enter, see, you can type hello world. Just I entered some message. See, there is a right side, there is a save option available. Click save and close. Okay, now if you see here ls-l test2 file is created. If you want to see the data, cat test2.txt. see, cat command is used for to see the content. It is used to create a file. It is used to append some data. This is using the gedit command. There is one more editor is available, vi editor, right? This is by default available in the shell in the Linux operating system. vi, then I can use test3.txt. immediately if you enter here, an editor will open. Okay, if you want to insert some data, you need to enter I, then it will change to the insert mode. You need to immediately enter I. Now, hi, how are you? Just I wrote this message. If you want to save this file, how you can save? Escape colon WQ exclamatory mark. If you see here, this is where you can save your file, and you can exclamatory mark. If you immediately enter, the file will be saved. Okay, if you want to see the data, cat test3.txt. see, hi, how are you? Now gedit means how you can create. So abc.txt editor will open and you can write your own data. Okay, if you take the vi command, vi abc.txt, immediately a terminal will open. If you want to insert some data, you need to enter I. It indicates insert mode. Okay, if you want to save a file, follow these instructions. Okay, escape means colon WQ exclamatory mark and enter. Immediately file will be saved. Okay, if you want to see again, see now vi, okay, vi test3 dot txt. When I enter, see terminal is open. Now by default you can't insert the data, as I explained in the document. Now enter I for the insert mode. What I can do, I, so see here, this is an insert mode. Now enter, if you want to write some data, hello world, just I wrote this data. How to save, go for document, just to read this part. Save a file means how, escape, that means escape wq exclamatory mark, exclamatory mark sometimes called a bang operator, okay, sorry, escape colon wq exclamatory mark. See, enter, the file will be saved. Okay, this is one of the way to create a file in VA editor. We have lot of things to learn. In the further sessions I will explain this one. Thank you guys.